how to set up purchase event on Facebook. So if you want to set up a purchase event on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and just you need to search for Meta Business Suite or search for Facebook Business Manager, which will take you to this kind of interface. You need to just simply go and log into your Facebook account. Once you've logged in, you will have this kind of business portfolio section. On the left side, you need to go with all tools, or you may also have an option of three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Just simply go with the menu or all tools section. Once you go with that, here you will have your event manager, or you may have that option here as well. So click on the event manager. Once you click on that, you need to click on manage prioritize events. And then we're going to set up our events for both of these domains. So let's start. The first one, simply, you need to click on manage events, then click on edit, and you'll be able to add up to 8 different events and prioritize them as well. So again, these are going to be the events, the actions that people do on your website so that we can use that data to optimize our campaign. The event of a purchase has the highest priority because eventually that's our goal, to get people on our store and purchase our products. So just simply go with the drop down and select purchase and then go with apply, which will be on the right side. In this way, you'll be able to set up a purchase event on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.